Okay, hey everyone, I'm going to Learning Express today, and this is my first video, so I'm going to Learning Express, and I guess I'll just see you guys when I get there, so let's just go. So I'll see you guys when I get there, and I'm gonna get a fidget cube or a fidget spinner or a slime thingy majigger, so yay. Listen to my Siri, ready? Listen. Hi Siri.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, so it's a boy, it's a male. And he's Australian. I changed it to that. That's my mom's Siri, but you know, whatever. We're almost here. Oh, we are here. Let me do one more in there. Sorry if I don't talk a lot. It's just that it's kind of weird talking in stores. I get kind of like weirded out. Oh, and there's people right there. Hi. But yeah, so I might not talk a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go in. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Okay. Singing putty and ooh, look at this. Isn't this cool? Oh my gosh. So cool. Oh, I found a thinking putty. Air thinking putty. There's a glow in the dark or light up. I don't want to run.
Marissa said to me the other day from you. She was, I think I saw John Lennon. Because I was describing.
Oh, what's this? Mom, come here.
I said,
I found it.
Cassie's house. And Cassie's house is if you just come out of his little street and take a right down the sidewalk, that's where it is. I'm like,
Mom, it's a pop socket.
I don't know, but I saw it left.
I have one right now. It's a pop socket.
Yeah.
I could get another one.
What's the other dog's name?
It's $9.99. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, they did his favorite.
Oh my gosh.
Although he wasn't around.
A fidget, it's like,
Yeah, but still he must be a singer.
so it has this side, it has like a click side, and it has like a...
That's young kid to me.
Yeah, everybody knows Collier's strength.
Yeah, well, the Beatles. He wasn't
Here,
around
Mom,
the
come
Beatles
here.
either, but
And then there's this one. There's like
in there.
12-side cube.
Brothers, I think.
I think he's like, I think he's 30.
That's my nephew.
And there's this one, and then I can just... Oh, they're so cool.
You like those?
I love them. I wanted one so badly.
Yeah.
Look at them. Pop socket. Oh, that's so pretty, Mom. I can't pick them.
Yeah, that's nice.
There's a fidget spinner.
But next week I'm only 2 days.
What else do they have? They also have like, they have a bath bomb. Oh my gosh, we'll have to come here every day now. I should tell my dad to come here. Oh my gosh, it's so cool in here. I love all of it. I love all of this stuff.
I was wondering this morning, what week you going?
So I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Oh my gosh, this stuff is, what is this? Yummy scented.
Yeah, in onset.
All different kinds of stuff.
Yes.
Oh my god. It's a girl thing. A diary, it's a girl thing. That's so cool. Oh my god, that's so cute. gonna try the fidget cubes. Oh, 69. I can't think of what I
How
want.
much money do you have with you?
None.
Oh, you have mom with you?
I have mom with me.
Oh, that's better than
That's,
money.
yeah. Well, for her it's not. For me it's. That's pretty good. That's pretty. It's happy for me
I bet you are.
because I get everything I want. No, if Dad was here, he'd be like one thing.
Yeah.
But if Mom was here still, she'd still be like one thing. So she still is saying one thing. True. She's here anyway, but.
Yeah, and here. So one thing.
Oh, Mommy, come here. I was just talking. Sorry. I told you we were talking. It's like calico critters. Ooh, what is this? Calico. Something called calico critters. Says it. I don't know what calico critters are. I don't know what else I don't know what I'm gonna get. Yeah, ooh. I had the ink tattoo art, but I lost it, so I'm gonna get something and then I will inform you guys of what I get. Okay, so I think I know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get fidget cube. I want a pop socket too, but you know, I can get that off of. They're cheaper at. Is that a real fish? Is there anything? No. But look at this, Mom. Isn't that so cool?
Mm-hmm.
They're fake, but they're cool. I think I know what I'm gonna get. It's just, should I get the...
There you go.
So what do we need? Is there anything we need to do right now?
Mom, should I get like the 12-sided one or should I get the 6? Should I get the 12-side or should I get the 6-side? So cool on here. But should I get the 12-side or should I get the 6-side? I don't know. Because there is a 12-side, but there also is a 6-side. So let's go see them. I'll show you. 12-side. Oh my gosh, 12-side cubes. No, it's too hard.
It's freezing last night, huh?
Yes,
here,
it
remember?
was so cold.
All right.
This one, it basically has the same thing.
The yellow one.
But you know,
Don't do yellow.
oh no. I'm just gonna keep looking around. Look, isn't this so cute? It's perfect pets. We are breathing. You have a pet? We're just spinning. Oh my gosh, fidget spinner, fidget cube spinning. Hold on. It basically it's the same size, but you know, hold on. Spins.
I doubt he does.
Just are they all like the same color, or do they have different
They're all
colors?
different.
Okay.
Yeah, most of them have a little sticker with a color.
Oh, like red. Oh, pretty cool. There's only one red one left.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Mama. I don't want to win. Fidget, get away.
No, 4:30.
That's so cool. Oh my god. I don't know what I watched. Anyway, oh,
C-E-Y? No, C-Y. C-Y.
hold on 1 minute.
Marie.
One minute.
Would you mind just getting a code? Thank you. It's the turtle.
Hold on, I want to see if they have something else. They might.
I know, we were all moving.
I want to see if they have something else.
Down to the
Oh my gosh, I think we need a fidget cube, but if there's something else that I've wanted for a really long time, I might get that, because I'm not sure. But, oh, this is so cute. But yeah, so, let's get what my heart desires. So I think I'm going to get the fidget cube, but I'm not sure. I lost my mom. I lost her. Oh, look at all this baby stuff. So cute for little baby. Look at that. It's so cute. Be good for me too. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get the. You know, you guys see when I get out of this store, you'll see what I'm gonna get. Guys, you have to find out what I'm gonna get. Ooh, this is so cute. See, this is what I'm gonna get. Just kidding. You gotta find out what I'm gonna get. Okay, so you probably already know what I got because of the box, but I'm gonna open it in the car and show you guys. I got this! No, just kidding. That's my mom's. She got that. We're gonna play it soon. So yeah. I got this. No, I got this. I got the fidget cube. I love this fidget cube so much. So yeah, I'll show you how it works. So let's go. Here, hold on 1 minute. I'm sorry, I'm horrible at filming. Oh, it just fell out. Don't go without me. Okay, here. So this is a box, which I'll probably keep it in for all its life. I'm just kidding. This is the cube. Yay! I love this cube so much. So what it has is, if you don't know what a fidget cube is, it's, I gotta put this down because the sun's too me. So what it has is, it has this thing, which you can like, has that thing which you can like spin. You can spin it. It has like a little light switch. I don't know what it is about this. It just makes me feel like, I just like it. I just like how it feels and stuff, and like it makes me calm. I don't know why. I'm not disabled, just saying. Just kidding. But, oh, it has this light switch. It has the joystick. It has these little buttons. They're just like rubber. They don't click or anything. They're just rubber. And I like that. I just like how it's... So this little golden silver ball thing, or like the rolly, it's a rolly, and it clicks. If you can hear it, hold on. And then these 3 little rolly things, and then it has a joystick, like a game joystick, and oh, forgot about this. It has like a little place to put your finger. They also had fidget spinners, and I was like, oh, what should I get? But I got this. So I think that's gonna be the end of my video, and I hope you like and subscribe and comment down below What if you got one of these? What color would you get? Bye.